This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by choosing a streaming-friendly VPN so Netflix sees a supported IP. This reduces errors. Once chosen, subscribe and save your credentials because you'll need them right away. Install the app from the Play Store or App Store. Allow required permissions so the app can create a secure tunnel. Make sure location services aren't blocking the connection. This first step gets your phone ready and ensures the VPN can route traffic to the region you want. Now log into the VPN app and enable the kill switch and auto reconnect. This keeps you private if the connection drops. Then pick a server labeled for streaming or choose the country whose Netflix library you want. Optimized servers reduce buffering. Once connected, go to your phone settings and clear Netflix app cache or force stop the app so it forgets the old location. This avoids geocached content blocking. Wait for the VPN to show a secure connection before launching Netflix. Open Netflix and search for a title exclusive to the region you chose. Play a few seconds to confirm streaming works. If Netflix still blocks you, switch to another nearby server or change the VPN protocol in settings. Sometimes TCP versus UDP makes a difference. If that fails, restart your phone and reconnect. A reboot clears lingering routing issues. As a last step, contact your VPN support for recommended servers. This final check-in.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.